I combined clips in CapCut and turned long videos into engaging shorts, saving hours of editing. This is the newly launched CapCut AutoCut feature, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use them, show how well they actually work, and whether they can save you time when creating short-form content. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First, let's test the new AutoCut feature. Right now, this feature is only available on mobile and not on CapCut Web. It basically combines multiple clips into a single short video using ready-made templates, automatic transitions, and synced background music. To try it out, open CapCut and head over to the AutoCut option right on the home page. From here, upload the clips you want to combine. For this test, let's use two simple house tour clips. As soon as the clips are uploaded, CapCut automatically starts searching for templates that match the style and pacing of your footage. If you don't like the suggested templates, you can click on Edit with Prompt and describe the style you want instead. For example, you can type, "Keep the background music smooth and the transitions clean." CapCut then searches for templates based on that prompt, and you can keep chatting with the AI agent until you find something that fits your video better. How many clips you need varies from template to template, with at least 15 clips needed for most of the templates. Once you're satisfied with the result, just click Use Template, and CapCut automatically generates the full video for you using that style. And here's the final output with music and transitions. There are a few pro tips to get better results with these AI tools. Try using high-quality clips with steady camera movement and clear lighting, since the AI performs much better when the footage is clean and easy to analyze. Clips with clearer voiceovers usually produce better shorts and captions rather than those in background noise. Use clips that feel complete on their own. Shorts tend to perform better when a single clip delivers a clear idea or moment without needing extra context from the full video. Now let's test the long videos to shorts feature, which is basically CapCut's AI clipping tool for turning long-form content into short videos automatically. From the homepage, click on Long Videos to Shorts. Once you're inside, upload the video you want to repurpose. For this example, let's take a Mr. Beast-style video to see how well CapCut can pull out engaging moments and turn them into shorts. After uploading the video, you'll see several options on the screen. You can select a specific part of the video, choose different caption styles, and even decide how long you want each short to be. For this test, select a caption template and set the duration between 30 and 60 seconds. At the bottom, there's also a prompt box where you can guide the AI. You can type something like, "Find important moments," so CapCut focuses on the highlights instead of random clips. Now, click Convert and give it a few minutes to process everything. Once it's done, CapCut automatically generates multiple short videos from the original content. In this case, it created 10 separate shorts that are already edited and ready to use.
Helping people. As of right now, my most viewed video is when I recreated Squid Games in real life. I used to, when I was younger.
You'll also notice that some clips have a trending icon at the top. According to CapCut, this means those clips have stronger viral potential based on pacing, engagement, and content selection. For this video, you can take the second short and click Edit to make a few adjustments. As the project loads into the editor, you can see the full short already arranged with captions, cuts, and timing in place. From here, you can still customize things manually, like improving the video quality, changing caption styles, adjusting transitions, or trimming certain sections. Once everything looks good, click Export, and within a few minutes, the short is ready to upload to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. The impressive part here is the speed. Instead of manually searching through long footage for highlights, CapCut handles most of the work automatically, and the captions stay surprisingly well synced with the video. When it comes to pricing, you can use both AI Clipper and AutoCut feature for free, but for regular usage and full access, the Pro plan starts at around $20 per month. Overall, both of these features are genuinely useful if you want to speed up your editing workflow and create short-form content faster. The interface is simple, the AI tools are easy to use, and most of the editing process is handled automatically without needing much manual work. So, try out CapCut AutoCut using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another helpful AI tutorial, check out this video next.